If you want to be able to open the power menu by using the power button only on Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, then first of all we can open settings, scroll down in here and go to additional settings, and then we can open the gesture shortcuts. Now the first method is to go to launch a digital assistant, and we can turn this option off. When the digital assistant is disabled, and if you press and hold the power button, then you might still not activate the power button. But if you go to power off, then of course we can switch from press the power and volume up buttons simultaneously to press and hold the power button. So the difference between this digital assistant being on and off now is the required amount of time that you need to hold the power button. So if the digital assistant is disabled, you can press and hold the side button, the power button, I mean, for half a second. But if the digital assistant is enabled, then you need to hold it for 3 seconds instead. So if I press and hold it, there we go. After 3 seconds, we will see the power menu. So it's up to you how you want it to be, of course. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.